All right, grade 2. So this is going to involve your workbook. So what you can get your workbook, get S1 curliker and S1 D. That is what you are going to need for today's science. All right. In your workbook, before we do anything else, make your Minky Monkey. Write 20 August 2020. Your heading. Our flag. And you draw a line with your ruler. Make your X. And then we know that we are ready to answer some questions. Listen, I said this before in one of the videos, the Minky Monkeys. Grade 2, you guys are rushing your Minky Monkeys. Your words are all over the place. I don't know how many times I have to say it for you guys to take it slow. Write your Minky Monkeys properly and write properly in your lines. Come now, we know how to do this. In class, you would have never tried that. So please, come. We are in class. I'm still getting your books. I'm still marking your books. And I'm not happy with the fact that you guys are rushing your work. You are going to lose silly marks because you rush your work. It has already started to happen. Take it slow. Take your time. School is normally, how long is it? 5 hours, 6 hours, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 6 hours. Now it's barely, I think you guys maybe work, I don't even know how long you guys work at home. 2 hours, 3 hours? My point is, you can do all of your work very carefully. It's important that you know this work. It's not to keep you busy that we are giving you this. This is your education. Take it seriously. Come. Cool. Oopsie. Okay. Once we've done that, we are going to take a look at our worksheet. S1 curliker, name at the back. S1 D, name at the back. All right. Now, it says, our flag. Look at the flag and answer the questions in your exercise book. This is our exercise book. Okay, they say, number 1, how many colors are on the flag? So, in your workbook, write number 1 and then answer the question. How many colors are in the flag? We have the yellow of the sun. We have the blue behind it. We have the white lines. We have the red. And we have the green. So how many colors in our flag? 5 colors. Okay, number 2, name the colors. Easy peasy. Number 2, we have the yellow of the sun. Yellow is one of your homework words as well. Yellow. We have the blue behind it. I'm using commas to separate. We have the white lines. We have the red in between. And what color am I missing? The green. Full stop. Remember, comma, 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 no comma. We use and to call the last one. Yellow, blue, white, red, and green. Good. Number 3, count the triangles around the sun. I'm going to leave that to you. So number 3, you go write this many triangles. Number 3, you can pause the video Quickly answer number 3. Good, you counted the triangles, you wrote down how many there are. Number 4, write down the names of the different shapes that the flag is made of. This is perfect. I'm also leaving this one to you. So all of the shapes that you find in our flag, I want you to write down. So you can immediately say, okay, there's a circle, there are the triangles, there's the rectangle that the flag is made of. But go think a bit harder. What are the other shapes? And write them down. Okay, so number 3 and number 4 are up to you. Then you can put your workbook aside. Actually, after number 4, after you've answered number 4, I want a line with a ruler to show me that you are done. Good? Then we put the workbook aside. Now we are at our next part. Each color in the flag has a special meaning. Find the meaning of each color in the word box. Okay? All of the words you need are here. You are filling it in here. Red stands for the peace and unity, sky and sea, people, life and energy, or plants and crops. The red stands for the people, and then we go cross it out. White stands for peace and unity, sky and sea, life and energy, or plants and crops. The white we learned stands for peace and unity. White is always the color of peace. If you watch cartoons, you will see, actually sometimes, they wave a white flag, and that's to say, peace, peace, I don't want to fight anymore. Green, blue, and yellow, I'm leaving up to you. Which one of those colors mean sky and sea? Which one of those colors mean life and energy? And which one of those mean plants and crops? Good. You can pause and do that section quickly. All right, next part. Make your own class or family flag. Your choice. Color it in and say what the colors mean. This is your task that you will have to do. You can turn this any way that you want. However, I feel like this way is perfect. So you can just make your rectangle. If you don't want your flag to be a triangle, you can do that. If you want your flag to be a circle. But actually, you know what? No, all flags are rectangles. Make a rectangle. And then at the bottom, you can write. You can now design your own class or family flag. Maybe just write it at the top. For example, my family flag, it's going to look like this. It's going to look like that, with this, this, and this. It looks like bricks, but it's supposed to be like the shell of a turtle. Okay, there's my family flag. Maybe I can put a little sun at the back, but I don't like sun. Oh, I do like the sun. What can I put there at the top? Nothing. This is my flag. If I were to color it, I would make this yellow, the background, but you don't write the words, you actually color it. I would make that yellow. I would make these pink. I would make this orange. I would make this brown, and I would make this green. And now I have to say, okay, the yellow in my flag stands for this. The pink in my flag stands for this. The orange in my flag stands for this. The brown stands for this. And the green stands for this. Just so by the way, if you guys didn't figure out, this is my cat, these are my bunnies, and this is for the turtles. My family is just animals. Okay. I actually have other family that I could have thought of, but I immediately thought of my animals. Okay, Masitibit. Whatever. Okay, so my yellow stands for joy and fun. The pink stands for cuteness and love. The orange stands for strength and independence. You can decide, grade 2, what do the colors mean to you? The brown means stability and being tough. And the green stands for ambition and growth. There we go. That is what my flag looks like. So I have my flag of my family that I chose to do. I would have colored it if I could. Then I color my flag and I tell you this is what each of my colors are for. Okay, so go enjoy making your own flag. Enjoy choosing your colors, saying what each color is for, and what it means to you. So yes, I think this is going to be so much fun to mark. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Enjoy.